How to fix Windows resource protection found corrupt files. 1. Delete dism.log app. C:\windows\logs\dism. Run the following commands in PowerShell as admin. dism/online/cleanup image/scan help dism/online/cleanup image/restore help sfc/scan ochkdskx/f/r/x reboot the computer. 2. Above tip 1 in the command prompt under Windows Save Mode. 3. Manually replacing. The two files, pending deletes and pending renames. @%winder%\wins\temp. Run the following commands in PowerShell as admin. sfc/scanofeinster/cs/%winder%\logs\cbs\cbs.log. %user profile %desktop\details.txt. Run these lines on a working Windows PC. Take on/f bad file equals bad file/grant administrators f copy good file bad file 4. Remove third-party programs. Using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, after performing Windows Clean Boot.